In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Windows 10 using Pendrive step by step in a simple and beginner-friendly way. To get started, you'll need a USB pen drive with at least 8 GB of free space and a working computer with internet access. First, open any web browser and search for Microsoft Software Download. From the search results, open the official Microsoft website. This is important to make sure you're downloading the correct and safe files. On the Microsoft Download page, find the Windows 10 section and look for the option to create installation media. Click the Download Tool Now button to get the Media Creation tool. Once the download is complete, open the file and allow it to run if your computer asks for permission. When the tool opens, accept the license terms to continue. Next, choose the option that says Create Installation Media for another PC, then click Next. You'll now select your preferred language, Windows 10 edition, and system type. If you're unsure, the default recommended options usually work fine. After that, select USB flash drive as the media type and click Next. Make sure your pen drive is plugged in, then choose it from the list. The tool will now download Windows 10 and turn your USB into a bootable installation drive. This step may take some time depending on your internet speed, so be patient. Once the process is finished, safely remove the pen drive and plug it into the computer where you want to install Windows 10. Restart that computer and open the boot menu by pressing keys like F2, F12, Delete, or Escape, depending on your system. From the boot menu, select the USB drive and press Enter. When the Windows Setup screen appears, choose your language and keyboard layout, then click Next and select Install Now. If asked for a product key, you can enter it or skip it for later. Choose the correct Windows edition, accept the terms, and select Custom Installation. Pick the drive or unallocated space where you want Windows installed and click Next. Windows will now install and restart a few times. Once it's done, follow the on-screen setup instructions and you'll arrive at the Windows 10 desktop. And that's how you install Windows 10 using Pendrive. Share this video and subscribe for more easy and helpful tech tutorials.